Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, I promise you, after elections, I am consistent. But let's get into Umkhokha the curse. Guys, I'm telling you, Uguti Ukhulekani is making the things that make the post to be done. Ngithi uguy ubhabhadisa left right and center, unikeza abantu Jesu left right and center. Ngithi yey Ukhulekani is Ukhulekani. His journey in Christ is just wow, it's overwhelming, it's developing, and he's showing flames to everyone that never believed in him. But I'm glad that the family is supporting him through and through. Ngicela ukuthi sivumelane ukuthi mina ngabe nginosonto lifana nala Ukhulekani ngathi ngizolikhona la sefonini nje ukuthi ngishumayele ngithola umuntu ngenzele yonke into efonini. Hayi man, that can be me. That can be me. But nonetheless, uguy wavela ku YouTube channel ka Khulekani and testified about what God has done for him in the presence or through umfundisi uKhulekani. And at this point, I think Ukhulekani is becoming more popular nje because of the acts that he's doing ngegama lika Jesu. Ukhulekani guyzini angene endlini, ngene ekamreni lakhe, qula ingoma nje, thinta enhlizweni, azibheke esipilini, asasibheke esipilini, avele uMbelase the father. Yebo. Mbelase the father appeared and said, "You are using your gift in the wrong place. Bring yourself back to yourself and make sure ubuya ekhaya emjudiyeni." Yo, guys, diyabuwa. Yo, mara asiqhubekeni. Usibahle ke ngisho had to come clean. Asho ukuthi phela hey, ngigemblile imali, bamkhudule, bamuse phi, bamusele ka Gumede. Basho ukuthi ka Gumede kwenzakalani, and ubabakhe demanded the money from Nobuntu's parents, right? And he said, "I don't care if your daughter is arrested or what, I want that money." Mabafike endlini nangu Ndlovu told them ukuthi yena he could prophesy that the money is not no Mbelase bamathi nolimi. So he knew in his spirit ukuthi the money was gambled away and whatnot, but like he's not happy in Ngosibahle. He does not want to see Ife Sibahle, but most of all he does not even want to see the wife. Like uguy is up to here, like akafuni nix uNdlovu, because at this point, if that money does not come back, he will lose his position in the church. uNdlovu is stress ke simenzani simutrapa kurasesesane, but he talks to his other wife and his other wife says, "I believe in you and I know you always make plans, but we know ukuthi the plan is not going to be holy." Ndlovu azanayo ke usibahle ahambe yotshela uGabisile where to get off. uGabisile ke amsuse from her high horse, amlethe phansi athi, "Mamela, when you were gambling the church's money away, I was not there, and you cannot blame me because I'm not the one that said you must steal the church's money to go gambling with it." I was like, yo, ziyabuya. uNdlovu ke aye kumkhandlo atshela umkhandlo everything, right? By everything I mean lying and whatnot. And we know ukuthi umkhandlo wethu untenga weak. Uqhubeke ke ube weak kanjalo umkhandlo, ubelieve ubani? Ubelieve uNdlovu over. Hey, uphakathwayo. I was so bored, but nonetheless ke umkhokha lo. Siqineni ke ngalo uMazenza uNobuntu umazifake ejele. Ugirl sekakhathele ukulala edradini, sebamkhohlisile abazali bakaMenga to an extent where they created a safe environment for her, but the environment is not safe. They wanted her to be arrested. Ugirl is arrested. Uyaqula laphayana, uyaprophesya, wenza zonke izinto eprison. Kholiyani uMamzobe tried to ask uMamzobe to rescue her. uMamzobe athi ngihlonipha ubaba. Yo, bekuthi ngangena escreen ngimhlap uMamzobe. uNobuntu manje abona ukuthi Sibindi yabulala, Sibindi yaphilisa. Ugirl ahlalela uMamzobe ngefoni yasejele like nobody's business. uMamzobe aqina amkhiphile. The difficult part was, does she get into the house or does she not get into the house? Because if she gets into the house, she runs at the risk of ruining her mother's marriage, of which it was already a marriage that's walking on thin ice. So uGirl is like between a rock and a hard place, literally. uMamzobe ke sekangenile phakathi inside the house with uNobuntu. Guys, bilwaka irigugu. Go. Why is why? Can you go understand the hore who halang one time? Can you go understand the hore pagato or react habang obla moto irang? I shall aswande lupato I'm beg emehlweni. Maqeda hugged his daughter and started saying itagazela. I was like, wow. No phakathwayo, you know what, bathi this one is a father basho phakathwayo. But yeah, sizobona ke ukuthi how this will unfold, because uphakathwayo accepting unobuntu is going to like seem like a negative thing to the church council. But yeah, that's what's going to happen. This is your girl Disebo D. Please do like, share and subscribe. I love you.